Hi friends, welcome to the daily answer writing challenge where we discuss how to write answers using one PYQ. So today's question is from General Studies paper 3 economy section. Let us read the question. What are the salient features of inclusive growth? Has India experienced such growth? Analyze and suggest measures for inclusive growth. The question has three parts, so even in answer we will have three parts. First, we'll start with the definition of inclusive growth. You can see I have given a definition of inclusive growth and I have underlined important points: broad-based, benefit and equal opportunity. This is a key point. Here the word all is also key point. After defining what is inclusive growth, I have given salient features of inclusive growth. You can see in salient features of inclusive growth, I have used a diagram. Guys, this diagram you can incorporate in any question on inclusive growth. You can see here poverty reduction, job generation, gender equity, rural and agriculture development, social justice and environmental sustainability. You can even write one line in this. Next, is India experiencing inclusive growth? So always write a balanced answer. Here I have written yes, points for yes, and I have written no, India is not experiencing inclusive growth. And what are the points? So let us see first. No, inequality has risen after 1991. Here you can quote Oxfam report. Jobless growth, here you can quote that unemployment is highest in last 40 years. Then you can quote gender gap report. India's rank is 131. Then you can quote low female labor force participation rate. Then you can also quote high informality, which is 90% more. That is why we have not experienced inclusive growth. But here you can write some positive points also, like poverty has reduced. Recent World Bank report says 5%. Then good governance initiatives like RTI and DBT, and focus on renewable energy. In the last stage of the answer, you have to suggest some reforms. You can see here I have written manufacturing, which will solve the job problem. Also formal economy, which will solve the problem of inequality. Then inheritance tax, which will solve the problem of inequality. And focus on women empowerment, which will solve the problem of gender gap. So guys, like this you can write very good answer. Use the diagrams. Diagrams are very important. More and more diagrams you will use in your answers, you will get more marks. Guys, I have scored one of the highest marks in General Studies paper 3. And guys, the idea is to incorporate diagrams and lot of facts and reports. You can see I have given so many facts. I have justified all my statements using facts. Because if you just say that India is experiencing inclusive growth or not is inclusive growth, and if you don't give any facts, you will not get any marks. You can see I have given so many facts. So the only way you can score very high marks in General Studies paper 3 is by incorporating facts. Guys, I am giving mains factly in our mains mentorship, and also I am teaching answer writing. Please follow this initiative. If you want my help in answer writing, you can contact this number.